Hello everyone, today I will briefly show you how to print barcode labels. The media what we will use for barcode printing made by Average Spec Form, product number is 4773. This is heavy duty industrial grade stickers. And we need two files to start, barcodes, Excel file and stickers Word file. Barcodes Excel file contains barcode numbers, list of barcodes, and stickers contain template. Open barcodes first, and here we have a list of our barcodes, and our template or stickers sheet contains of 24 stickers. So every sticker has own number within one page, and this is our barcode number. We can just replace all number manually, of course, or there is a formula, so we can indicate start number, like here, number of stickers with same number, because sometimes or almost always we need a few stickers with same barcode to put on at least different sides of our tools or maybe some parts of our tools, and step increment for incrementing number for barcode generation. So 10 because we sometimes will need a child part of tools, so we can add some numbers between, for example, here 10 110 till 10 120. So that is how it works. We enter our numbers, start number, and this list is generated. If we need X stickers with same barcode, just like this, and we have a 6 numbers. So let's back to initial number. Our template contains 3 column, 8 rows, so three stickers per row. Now save. Once again, we need this list generated or entered manually. Save and close. Next, or let me, it was open before, let me open again, and when the files is opening, it displays some strange message. Just press yes or ignore, it doesn't matter. And this is our template. It fits very well to actual stickers, so it works well. First we go to mailings, menu mailings, and pick select recipients, and here use existing list. And now we have to indicate our barcode Excel file. Choose barcode Excel file like this. Okay, and okay, we don't need to change anything here. So that's it. And to preview how our printout will look like, so just press preview, and here we go. To make an actual printing, we need to go to finish and merge, and first point, edit individual documents. Click here and OK. And here we go, we have a just generated list of our labels. Then just go File, Print, and under Printer Properties is good to select correct media, paper type, labels, to print it correctly in terms of quality. Okay, and now print, and that's it. we have a list of our barcodes. That's it for today. Thank you and have a good day.